Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the fragment navigation in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity and two fragments 1 and 2. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the main activities layout. Two fragment layouts. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main XML file, we have a constraint layout that we will use as a container to load the fragments. The ID of this layout is the container. In the fragment_1.xml file, we have a button, go to the second fragment. And in the fragment_2.xml file, we have a text view, second fragment. Let's see the Kotlin code now. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we call the load_first_fragment function. This is the load_first_fragment function where we load the first fragment into the fragment container. These are the imports. This is the first fragment. In the onCreateView function, when the button is clicked, we call the goToSecondFragment function. This is the goToSecondFragment function. This is how we go to the second fragment. This is the second fragment. We keep this fragment as it is. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the fragment navigation in Kotlin Android. Thank you.